Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be working on this tiny windswept Japanese maple. It's a acer palmatum. I've had it for about a year now, and it's time to get it into a smaller, shallower pot and to take the wire off. I'll bring you in, I've got you some macro shots of the tiny buds, so I'll show those just while I set up, and then I will spin you around, set the camera up, and we'll crack on. So first thing I'm going to do is get the moss off and then take it out of the pot and then take the wire off it. This is going to be fiddly because they're so thin and still quite delicate, I think. So we'll just take it nice and slow. all the wires off, it's out of its pot. Next thing I need to do is to put a hole in this, which is what I'm going to put it in. I'll go away and do that quickly. There we go, nice little hole. Next thing we need to do is to put a little drainage screen on it, which I'm going to use some scrim tape. Nice little hack from Jonas at Bonsai Cornwall. Thanks for that, mate. And then we need to put a little bit of bonsai soil in there. So, and then work out where we want this to go. Maybe in the middle somewhere. my small, tiny, windswept Japanese acer, all repotted and unwired and ready for the spring. That will go back on my windowsill now until spring actually arrives, and then it will go outside for the summer. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to give me a like, sub and share, even a comment, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks a lot.